Good day, everyone. Learn how to resize any image in InShot app, and you can also change the aspect ratio like 9 by 16, 1 by 1, 16 by 9. You can do a lot of things. I'll show you how exactly we can do that. So I'll open the app, I'll go to Photos, I'll select the image, and the very first option at the bottom, we have this canvas. We will click on that. Now here we have the ratio. If you want 16 by 9, you can do like this. If you want 9 by 16, you can do like this. 1 by 1, you can change like this. So I'll select 16 by 9. And if you want to change the background, you can select the colors. You can use the blurred image like this, or you can simply add the same image in the background. Now, once you're done, you just need to click on this tick mark. You can also adjust, you can use filters, you can use the stickers. And once you're done, you can simply click on the top right corner and it will be saved. So this is how you can resize the image and change the ratio of any image. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.